Hello. So do you remember yesterday we read Supertato? Today we've got another book by Sue Hendra. It's Supertato, Veggies Assemble. He's got some sidekicks. Did you create your sidekick yesterday? Yeah? Can't wait to see them. So let's have a look. What kind of vegetables and fruit can you see? What do you think that one is? A squash, some corn, a tomato or a tomato. That one's not a veggie. Let's find out what he is. And I'm not sure of that one's name. We'll find out in the story. Are you ready? Supertato, Veggies Assemble. It was night time in the supermarket and everyone was sleeping peacefully. Or were they? Someone was looking for trouble. Mwahahaha! Soon this supermarket will be mine, all mine. And with one click, all the freezers were switched off. You may already know this, but some vegetables are frozen for a very good reason. If they defrost, they turn bad, really bad. And baddest of them all is, do you remember? Evil Pea. Wakey, wakey, he called. One evil pea is bad enough, but now there were bags of them. The supermarket was in meltdown. Run for it, panicked Pepper. Do you see Pepper? Yeah, I think it was a red pepper. Save me, stuttered Pear. Save me, begged Melon. Save me, cried Carrot. I'm melting, pleaded Lolly, and time's running out. Was there anyone who can save them? Supertato to the rescue! But before Supertato could save anyone, he was attacked by a swarm of peas. What's going on? Asked Aubergine. We're doomed, that's what, cried Cucumber. Things were going from bad to worse. Supertato was thrown onto the conveyor belt and he was heading straight for the bagging area. Was this the end for Supertato? I'm going to need some backup. If I can just call the click. Super Veggies to the rescue. They used ninja know-how. They used massive muscles. It's got big muscles. They used fancy footwork to rescue him from the toilet roll. And they used a box with a door cut in it. What's going on there? It says pea party. Pea party? All the peas want to go to the party. But what about the lollies? And where was Supertato? Sorry I'm late. I just needed to pick up some dessert. He swung to the rescue. And now for those freezers. Click. And I'll be needing a glass and a piece of paper. Eh? Who ordered the vegetables? Screeched the evil pea. You think you've been beaten, but I'm going to... You're going to what? Asked Supertato. See, slam down the glass. 3 cheers for Supertato, shouted Broccoli. Supertato blushed. I couldn't have done it without the super veggies. One of them speaks up. Actually, I'm not a vegetable, I'm a fruit, said Tomato, and everyone laughed and cheered. So with the peas back in their bags and the freezers locked, the supermarket was once again a safe place to be. Isn't it wonderful? Said one lolly to the other. We're all back to normal again. What an adventure that one was. So if you haven't had a chance yet to create your super sidekick for Supertato, can't wait to see them. You could use some paper, you can use your paints, you could even use the real vegetables and do some collaging and stick pieces on the vegetables and stickers and tape and pipe cleaners and all those fun things. Can't wait to see what characters you create and have lots of fun with them, and then we can use them later this week to tell some stories. Have fun creating your characters. See you soon. Bye.